So in the initial deployment of 5G, as we know, most of cases we are working on option 3x. And option 3x, if we want to recap on option 3x, we have the 4G core, EPS core, EPC, Evolved Packet Core. And 4G core is connected to the base station E node B. So we have a connection for a traffic and connection for signaling connection. And in the initial deployment of 5G, this site, which is a 4G site, will have a 5G also in the same site coexist. Okay. So we have 4G and 5G on the same site, but for your imagination, we are drawing it as a two different sites, but that is to imagine. But they are the same site as we speak before. Okay, and if we have a handset ENDC capable, means that it can connect to 4G and 5G. It can connect to two different technology at the same time. Okay, and the 4G, we call the 4G as a master node. It is called as a master node, and 5G as a secondary node. And the meaning of master node here, the meaning that the 4G is carrying signaling, which is represent a control, network control, and carrying traffic. And 5G as a secondary node means that it carries traffic only. There is no control coming through the 5G from core in the option 3x. NSA option 3x, we don't have a control signaling from the 5G. Okay, this is what we say the level design or the deployment of option 3x. That is the design. Okay, good. Also we write it as M for master, E node B, and secondary SG node B. As we know, 5G base station, we called it G node B. Okay. Okay. Let's go to another point, important point, that what is the status and or what is your what's your situation in the ideal mode? Actually, in the ideal mode, there is no 5G. Ideal mode for option 3x NSA, there is no 5G coverage or signal in ideal mode. Why? Because as we speak, that the master node is a 4G, so which is carrying signaling and traffic. So in ideal mode, you have a 4G cell selection. You don't select on the 5G. You don't know about the 5G in the ideal mode for NSA. Just only when you move from ideal mode to connected mode or active mode, only at this moment you connect to 4G first. Then after that, you will add 5G base station. So you don't connect to the 5G unless you are in the connected mode. You will not see the 5G unless you connect to the network and connect to 4G first. Then you will add the 5G base station, and at this moment you are connecting to the 4G leg and 5G leg. We say this also a 4G leg, and this is 5G leg. Okay, that's what we talk about. NSA option 3X. Master node is a 4G BTS, secondary node is a 5G. There is no ideal mode in 5G for option 3X. The UE should connect first to LTE, then be directed to 5G when there is a traffic, and we will talk about this in too much more details. Don't worry. Okay. So what is this? This is a standalone option 2. What's standalone? Standalone, we mean that a pure 5G. There is no 4G. So we have a 5G core, next generation core network, and we have a 5G base station. The only node in the air interface. There is no 4G node. The 5G base station, which controls the traffic and signaling, and no dual connectivity as we have here. The UE is only connected to the 5G BTS. So, and we have in ideal mode a 5G, and we have there is no 4G coverage. When you connect or when you are in ideal mode, you have a 5G connection. Okay, let's talk about how we can add a 5G base station in option 3X. What is the condition? What is the parameters, optimization parameters to add the 5G base station, and what's the signaling flow? Let's talk from starting from next session about this point for with details of optimization, and let's go to the next session. And if you have any question, you can ask me on the comment in the YouTube site, or you can send me through the WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice time.